Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Glasgow on Sunday to attend the COP26 Climate Summit and hold bilateral talks with UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson. I look forward to working with other world leaders on mitigating climate change and articulating India's efforts in this regard, he tweeted. Prime Minister Modi is scheduled to meet community leaders and Indologists based in Scotland today. Price of commercial LPG cylinders was increased by Rs 266 today. Now the price of a 19 kg commercial cylinder in Delhi will be Rs 2000.50. In Mumbai, a 19 kg commercial gas cylinder will now cost Rs 1950. In Kolkata, the commercial LPG rate stood at Rs 2073.50, while in Chennai, now a 19 kg cylinder will be available for Rs 2133. Bharatiya Kisan Union leader Rakesh Tikayat said that protests will be escalated if the centre does not scrap the 3 farm laws by November 26, 2021. Tikayat further stated that if the government fails to meet the deadline, then from November 27th onwards, farmers will march towards Delhi's border with tractors and strengthen the tents that were removed. Indonesian researchers are breeding mosquitoes called Wolbachia, a common bacteria, to combat dengue. This comes after the trial results published in the New England Journal of Medicine of a joint study by the World Mosquito Program showed that deploying Wolbachia mosquitoes reduced dengue cases by as much as 77%. In principle, we are breeding good mosquitoes, a WMP member said. China on Sunday locked thousands of visitors at Shanghai Disneyland, and they were allowed to leave only after they underwent COVID-19 testing. Nearly 34,000 people were tested until midnight and were sent to their homes on 220 special buses. All were found to be COVID-19 negative today but are still required to isolate at home for 2 more days. Jammu and Kashmir got its first floating theatre in Dal Lake in a bid to attract tourism back in the state. The 1964 film Kashmir Ki Kali, starring Sharmila Tagore and Shami Kapoor, was screened at the theatre. A Shakira rally decorated with lights passed through the Nehru Park to Kabautar Khana, with local artists singing and dancing to Kashmiri songs to mark the occasion. After New Zealand handed India their second straight defeat in T20 World Cup 2021, Virender Sehwag tweeted, "Very disappointing from India. New Zealand were amazing." He added India's body language wasn't great, poor shot selection, and like few times in the past, New Zealand virtually ensured we won't make it to the next stage. This one will hurt India and time for some serious introspection, Virender Sehwag said.